Hi there, and in this video we are going to take a look at the Photoshop interface. So just open up your Photoshop, just click on it, it'll open, and we'll take a look at the interface. So there are many kind of tools and different kind of options. So if you're a beginner you might get confused. If you're not a beginner you can skip to the next video, where I'll be teaching you some of the basic stuff. So up here in the top left corner, there are different kind of options. There is file, edit, image, layer, type, select, filter, 3D, view, window, and help. So let me create a new new document. Just click on create new, and it should show different kind of options, and I'll choose just click on create. So I won't be teaching you I won't be teaching you in this course. I won't start teaching you, okay? Sorry for the English, and sorry if there is any kind of background noise. So kind of if you mess Photoshop up like this, you can even reset it. Wait, let me show you. If you do something like this, you will mess around, right? If you do something, so there is an option in help. Wait, there is an option. Where is it? What? Yep, it should be here. Yep, it is here. Essentials. You can reset essentials in this way. You can reset essentials, or even you can, if you mess Photoshop like this. So I like to keep it in this way. Just let us move to adjustment tool, and I like to keep it a bit short. My layers panel should be bit long. So sorry if there is any kind of background noise. So I hope you are getting what I'm telling you. And you can open new documents from file, open, or just click Ctrl O in your keyboard. That is a shortcut. You can take a look at the shortcuts here. See, there is Ctrl O, Ctrl N, Alt plus Ctrl plus O, browse in bridge, open as Alt Shift Control and open plus. Okay, just click. If you need to open a document or a photo, just control open, and it will open up different kind of you can open up different kind of photos and stuff. Okay, if the layer is locked, control Z to get behind. Just press control Z and undo. Now you have it. You have it here. See, control Z plus undo. You can take a look at the shortcut in the right side of the column. Redo brush is here. If you draw something above him by mistake, you can go to edit and undo brush. Yeah, it does something like that. So here is the layers panel in the bottom right corner, where you have background. If it's locked, you can't move the background. Okay, first you need to convert it into a normal layer. There are many options to convert it into a normal layer. See, I have already converted it into a normal layer. If you want to get back, you can just press Ctrl Z, or even you can click that padlock to bring it to a normal layer, and just move it into a new document, or resize it. Okay, let me press Ctrl Z again. Let me press it again. Yep, I'm in this document, right? To rename it, just double click the layer. If the layer is locked, just double click it and rename it. Let me rename it as background, and you can even click the padlock, and you can play. If you double click in the empty column here, you will open up the blending options for the image. You can mess with the image. We'll go through this in a briefer manner, where you can play with the opacity, inner shadow, gradient overlay, and much more. Let me cancel that, and let me lock this layer. Okay, and here are some of the adjustment tools. There is brightness and contrast. There is curves. For images, you can even download the images from Google, or you can download images from Shutterstock. There are different websites. So I have just search for images. You can download images from here. So to download fonts, you can download them for DA font. Of course you need to pay if you are using it in a commercial manner, and if you are not using it, you don't need to pay. So there are different kinds of fonts which are awesome. You can take it orange juice, sweet purple. I don't like this one. I have downloaded many fonts from DA font. Here is the link. I think I'll provide it to you in the project resources or libraries. You can take a look at dribble with 3 B's. Okay, you can download images or vector illustrations from here. You can take a look at this site where you can choose colors from here. You can copy this, Control C, and you can open up Photoshop. You can open up Photoshop and just paste it. We'll be going through this in a briefer manner. Sorry if there is any disturbance. Okay, and you can you know what is Adobe stock photos, right? For those of you don't know, Adobe provides photos, high quality photos for you need to pay them. There is a subscription, but I have not paid. I'm using the current trial version right now. So you can even download images from Adobe stock and open up in Photoshop. So I'll teach you how to do that. You can see, you can take a look at this. You can download them for preview. You need to log in or create an account. Okay, we'll be downloading fonts, we'll be downloading actions, and we'll work with different kind of filters and images. So this was just a brief overview I wanted to show you. Okay, I'll in the next videos we'll start editing, and we'll start playing with real images. Okay, I hope you'll see me in the next video. And to resize it, just press Ctrl O to fit to the screen, and I'll teach you about many shortcuts. So hope you'll see me in the next video. Thank you.